Obviously, you got 2 strikes here, but you want to look for something up in the zone that you don't hit on the ground.
Hits that one on the ground and through for a base hit. McGee scores. Jason Hicks goes to third. Derek Jeter with an RBI single, and the Yankees lead 3-1.
You see, the difference in this pitch is it was up in the zone, and you can kind of shoot it the other way. It's not a sinker that you kind of beat into the ground. Kind of got beat inside, but that's Derek Jeter. That's it when he's at his best. He pulls his hands in and just hits it to right. Good base running by Nix, and to force the issue. This ball's supposed to be down, and it's up and in. Derek can bring his hands in and get the barrel on it.
Rick Adair, the pitching coach, comes out and talks with Zach Britton.